'Tis the season to be jolly and inventive. And this morning for Christmas Eve breakfast, I've decided to do something a little kind of crazy, and I think it's going to work out. So in my bowl, I already have about 1.25 cups of self-raising flour, a little bit of olive oil, because this is going to be a savory pancake, savory spicy. Have an egg. Going to use some of the Grandpapa J's Greko lemon for roast potato seasoning. And I'm going to put in the Bog Cranberry Pepper Jelly. Nice big teaspoon of that. I can get it out and still hold my camera. I'm going to put more than that in there, so stay tuned. There's probably going to be about a tablespoon. And Avalon Dairy's Egg Nog in there as well. So I'm going to film part 2. So part 2, before I mix it, big heaping tablespoon of cranberry pepper jelly by the Bog Riverside Cranberry Farm. Avalon Dairy's Egg Nog. Got about, I think about a cup in there. And Grandpapa J's Greko lemon roast potato seasoning going in. I'm going to give this a big mix. And I will adjust if I need to add a little bit of probably water versus more eggnog if this needs to be thinned down. But I think it's going to be okay. Look at that bright yellow yolk. I get my eggs from a farm out in Mission. So it's going to be in my little baby dash waffle maker. So stay tuned. So I have my first waffle going in. Close the lid. Stay tuned to see how this turns out. I'll wait for the light to turn off. Okay, the light's gone out. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like ham. It's weird. Beautiful golden brown. Cute little waffle. Yum. So next video, gonna do a taste test. So good morning, everybody. I put on my holiday reindeer ears. Let's give this a taste. So this was self-raising flour, the Bog Cranberry Pepper Jelly, Avalon Dairy's Egg Nog, and Grandpapa J's Greko lemon seasoning. So good. You know what I said about kind of tastes like ham? If you're doing ham for Christmas, do this for Boxing Day. And put your leftover ham and a little bit of spicy mustard. Delicious. Bye, BC. Support our local producers. Merry Christmas.